Wow, you were so good.
Go down, Coda.
Is that the style?
Coda.
Hi, baby.
My mom puts our hair in ponytails. Now we
She doesn't
also
like
have
it.
banding. We also
All
have
right.
banding. We need Mom's hair. Coda. Can you make her
Coda, here, just hold still for 1 second. No, she doesn't like. Come here, Coda. Come here, baby.
Ugh. It won't do
You-
for me.
You gotta learn how to do it. If you want to do it, you have to learn how to do it. Don't get on her face. That should be enough.
Okay, Coda. You look like a princess,
Aw, she is. We love her, don't we?
little Coda Boda. I love my little sister.
You do?
Yeah,
Will you take care of her?
yeah. Even feed her anything. I even feed her
What do you feed her?
anything my mom asks me to.
What did your mom ask you to? She's so cute. What did your mom ask you to feed her?
Anything
Okay, that's quite enough.
I ask to feed her.
You are taking care of your sister, aren't you?
Yeah.
You're making her beautiful.
Coda, don't move.
Okay. Wow, you're really good at this. Coda, do you like your new hairstyle?
Coda, hold you.
Okay. Alright, this is getting to me.
It's so hard with nail on your hands. Coda! Coda. Oh yeah.
Okay. She's gonna get mad at me when I let you guys do this. What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? Okay, you're being a little rough. Okay, you have enough. Seriously.
Yeah, let's now wash our hands.
Okay.
Move that,
Say please.
please.
Coda, let me see your new hair. Coda, can I see your new hair? Wow! You are beautiful. Coda! You look great.
Look at my new hot hair style. You want to know?
No, stop. That's enough. She's saturated in it. Put that up.
Okay.
And don't let her get it.
I tried to get this back.
Thank you. We're putting everything back. You're good.
Coda!